Yeah, a little bit faster on me. Hello everybody, welcome. It is the 13th of September 2019 and I am truly blessed because I've got Giselle, my daughter, here with me. She's come all the way over from England to come and see us over here and do a bit of work in the pottery and experience a little bit of rural Pennsylvania and the Amish and the hills, the rolling hills of Pennsylvania. So, thanks for joining us.
Bye.
This is Giselle's first time on the wheel, pretty much. Well, you were here yesterday, weren't you? So, what does it feel like, Giselle, being on the wheel? How are you finding it?
Good. I like it. It's
you
different.
like it?
Yeah.
Good. Yeah. Not too fast. Now you're getting a little bit out of centre. Keep the wheel going, but best not have your foot resting on the pedal all the time. So you want to just set your speed. Don't have your foot resting on the pedal. Otherwise it's very easy to find yourself, going too fast if you're keeping your foot on the pedal all the time. I recommend to people, don't have your foot stuck on the pedal. Move that light down a bit.
Off centre again.
Okay, let's have a look at it. Let's see. Yeah, he's a little bit. Just put your hand on it. Okay, now release slowly. Release slowly. Is that better?
Yeah. Thank you.
That's a good tip. When you've got a lump of clay that's on the potter's wheel and going around, and you're trying to get it on centre, you're applying your hands and water and pressure. Pushing and pressing and can't seem to get it. Basically apply some downward pressure and just restrain the clay towards you a very little bit. Hold the clay there for a second or two, but then when you release your hands very slowly off of the lump of clay. If you don't do that, if you release your hands quickly, the lump of clay, because of centrifugal force, tends to career off in one direction or another. Okay, just a little tip there. So, Giselle, why don't you tell us a little bit about what you're currently doing? First of all, how old are you, and what are you? Sorry, embarrassing.
It's like a biography, is it?
No, just for people's interest. A lot of people remember you from Spain when you were very young, or very small. So yeah, a lot of people who'll be looking at this will actually remember you from 10 years ago or plus. So.
Well, I'm 20 years old. I live in England, in the south, and I've just come to visit my dad for a few weeks, just see him, see Pennsylvania, get a bit of a taste of America, and learn a bit of pottery. What else do you want me to say?
No, nothing. Anything you want to say?
Yeah.
Just completely natural. Yeah, good. So, yeah, you're living in Plymouth, aren't you?
Yeah.
Plymouth. County of Devon, so that's like southwest England. And what have you done? What were you doing? What did you do the year? Prior to coming here, you went somewhere, didn't you?
Yes, so I was travelling in Honduras in Central America. It is not as dangerous as it seems, guys. And that was amazing. I was teaching out there for a year, living next to a family, traditional Honduran family out there, and that was lovely. And went travelling around Central America. And there's a lot of pottery out there actually as well. A lot of crafts.
I think you could go a little deeper in there actually, just a touch. Another quarter of an inch in there.
How do you do it so it's not, I don't get that little thingy?
So you push your thumb down right in the very middle, so you don't get that little lump that comes.
Okay.
But make sure that you keep it in the middle.
Okay.
So where were you just prior to coming out here though, to America?
Oh right, I see what you mean. So I was travelling in Israel and Jordan. So yeah, it seems that dangerous places attract me. But yeah, I went to Israel for a week and then crossed over into Jordan. Went through from north to the south to the Wadi Rum Desert, saw Petra.
You saw Petra?
Yeah, one of the wonders of the world complete. And then back into Israel for a week and then came here. Really?
Good.
So.
Excellent, well done. I'm going to take the camera off the tripod here. And I'm just going to go over here to the table just to divert attention over here so you can concentrate over there, Giselle. I have just pulled some handles here, but we have to let them set up a bit. And I've got these tankards here waiting for handles. These tankards here have already been handled and they've got glaze on them. As you know, we do raw glazing, so we first glaze the inside of the pot in there, and then when they dry back a bit, like these ones, we glaze the outside as well. So these are actually waiting to be decorated. If we go into the next door room, dark in here, folks. We better put our light on. Woo! Yes, so we've got some. This is where I do my decorating here. These iron oxide and cobalt, etc. pigments. So these exact same tankards here. This has got a foxglove decoration on. And actually there's a couple at the end there that are waiting to be decorated. I haven't done those yet. So it's a very small little order of some espresso cups on its route for Holland. And then these are small bud vases here of different decorations. Foxglove, of course. And then this one, which is a sort of new one I'm doing with a cobalt back wash, and then the iron oxide over top. And then that's more of those. They're all slightly, I'll try and vary them a little bit, you know, get a little bit of variety and try to be a little bit original as I go. Yeah, these are these are new ones that I just did. Peacocks. So yeah, we'll see what they come out like, the peacocks. So yeah, and also waiting a little bit of wood ash spray around the bottom there. I spray. So that is what's going on there. I've got to get these in the kiln very shortly. Right here, right now, I'm just in the process of wedging up this clay. So why don't we do a sideways view? For those of you who are learning yet still to do your kneading, you need to practice this. This is really Japanese spiral kneading, generally the most effective. How are you doing, Giselle?
Good, I made a new kind of random thing
Oh,
I just decided to make. Just kind of happened. I'm taking my shoes off because I don't want them to get covered in clay.
So that is, you'll see we get the characteristic pattern there. Really the pattern is formed through the movement of the clay as it goes through your hands, and each successive, so to speak, pressing down like that there of the folds of clay, you see. And then to finish it off, after we've done it approximately 100 times, we turn it into a cone shape. From which we then will ball up the clay for there it is. So now it's ready to be, and I like to use one of these digital balances. Yeah, so I'm actually doing some more, even some more tankards, because I need more of them. Everyone's asking for them. I never seem to have enough. So we're going to do some more of those. They're 14 ounces. Okay, folks. Let's see what's going on over here. Oh dear. Well done, Giselle. Anyway, folks, from Giselle and me, we like to say, keep practicing, everybody. Hang on in there, don't give up. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Yes, and if you're interested in coming on a workshop, then please go to my website, simonleachpottery.com, and you will see there's some dates there. September, end of September, October and November. So go there, write to me if you're interested in a date, let me know. Okay folks, from Giselle and me, we say goodbye, see you later. Bye.
Bye.